Towards that B-bomb sign. It's just not going to happen today. All in GMD. 1-2. Hold on a second.
Remember when CZ75 was everywhere? Back in 2014, one pistol in CSGO completely broke the game, the CZ75 order. When it was first introduced, the gun cost only $200 to $500, but had high damage, strong armor penetration, and full auto-fire. Players quickly gave it the nickname the Pocket AK. Why? Because it was a cheap eco pistol. You could delete fully armored enemies, as still the AK-47 or M4A1S were thousands. In close range fights, it was even worse. You could run, spray full auto, and instantly melt opponents, which made it extremely popular with pro players during 2014 and 2015. And the biggest problem, it completely destroyed the game's economy. Even on eco rounds, a team with few CZs could suddenly win the round and flip the entire match. Eventually, Valve had to step in. The pistol was nerfed multiple times, reducing ammo, slowing the fire rate, and increasing draw time. And after those changes, the once feared Pocket AK slowly disappeared from the meta. But if you played back then, you probably still remember how ridiculous the CZ75 used to be.